The Nothing Phone 3 is shaping up to be one of the most eagerly awaited smartphones of the year, and recent leaks have only increased the excitement, with details emerging about its potential specifications, launch timeline, and pricing. The tech community is buzzing with speculation. But before diving in, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay connected with us for all the latest updates and become a part of our exciting YouTube family. We will talk about the release date, but first, let's explore the design and specifications. According to many leaks, the Nothing Phone 3 is speculated to feature a triple rear camera system with a 64-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 32-megapixel telephoto sensor. It boasts advanced capabilities, including optical image stabilization and 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it might include a 32-megapixel front camera with AI features. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3 is speculated to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, ensuring top-tier performance. Following its tradition of blending cutting-edge hardware with a focus on cost efficiency, Nothing might refine its design while strategically managing costs. This approach mirrors what OnePlus has done with their R series by using slightly older flagship processors to strike a balance between performance and affordability. Coming to the battery, while early rumors hinted at a larger battery capacity, the Phone 3 will reportedly feature a 4,920 mAh battery. On the software front, the Nothing OS continues to receive positive feedback for its clean and polished interface. While it may lack some of the robust features seen in Samsung's One UI, its simplicity remains favored among users. Leaks suggest that the upcoming phone will enhance the OS further, introducing AI-driven functionalities that could redefine user experiences. Carl Pei's recent communications have hinted at several exciting AI-powered features, setting the stage for the brand's evolution into a more intelligent ecosystem. Coming to the launch date, the release timeline points to an early 2025 debut, with sources suggesting a launch in March. According to Carl Pei's internal email, this smartphone will be a landmark launch, representing a significant step forward in user interface innovation and the company's first major step into AI-powered devices. With nearly a year and a half since the Nothing Phone 2 release in July 2023, the timing aligns perfectly for Nothing's next big reveal. Talking about the price, the Nothing Phone 3 is expected to be priced between $500 to $600, making it a perfect blend of performance and affordability. Carl Pei highlighted that smartphones remain the focus point of Nothing's product strategy, recognizing their important role in today's consumer electronics landscape. Over the past year, the company has focused on strengthening its expertise in this area, aiming to ensure that the Nothing Phone 3 not only meets but exceeds expectations. So, are you excited about what Nothing has in store with their next flagship? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more updates as the countdown to the Nothing Phone 3 continues. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.